What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So if you guys are interested in affordable good woody fragrances, then this is the video for you, because here in this video I'm going to review not one, not two, but three beautiful fragrances from the house of Rayhaan. And here I'm talking about Rayhaan's Wood Collection, and in their Wood Collection they got these beautiful three fragrances. So stay tuned if you want to discover these beautiful scents. Let's start our review, and as always we'll start with the presentation first. All the three boxes are very similar. The only differences are the color and the design pattern here. So let me show you the boxes one by one, and then I'm going to show you the bottles, and then we talk about the fragrances. So here the first one I got is Rayhaan Wood Noir, and you can see the box and the design pattern here. This is the front and this is the back. The second one I got here is Rayhaan ELLWOOD from Rayhaan's Wood Collection. You can see the color and design pattern here. This is the front and this is the back. And at number 3 I got the most favorite, Rayhaan Royal Wood. This is Royal Wood from Rayhaan's Wood Collection. This is the front, this is the back. You will find the logo of Rayhaan on the top here, and all the ingredient details, batch code, manufacturing details here in the bottom. So these are the boxes, and now let me show you the bottles. The first one we got here is Wood Noir. You can see the color of the bottle. It's dark green with this beautiful golden printing. Rayhaan Wood Noir. The wooden cap, you can see the cap on the top here, and the very same design pattern in the back. This is, you can say, a signature style of Rayhaan's perfume bottles. So this is Wood Noir. The second one I got here is ELLWOOD, and here you go. Once again, beautiful bottle. This is green once again, and in the back here you can see the design pattern, very similar to the other bottles, and you can see that brown wooden cap here. Looks stunning. And now at number 3 we got Royal Wood, and here you go. Once again the bottle is very similar, but the color is brown with this light woody type of cap here, and this is the back as you can see here. So this is Royal Wood. So this was about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrances. So let's start with Wood Noir. So as you can see, it's very obvious from the name. This is an alternative of Tom Ford's Oud Wood, and this one smells damn good. Sweet, woody, dark, mysterious, green and earthy. So this is how this perfume actually smells. This is the feel of the perfume. So here this one opens with a beautiful note of rosewood with spicy cardamom. You can get that spicy woody kind of feel here in the opening, with vanilla and tonka bean. So it's sweet, woody. There is some kind of bitterness here due to the use of that oud accord, that synthetic oud accord, which is also used in original Tom Ford's Oud Wood. So very similar to that, and then you will get that herbalish, greenish kind of notes here. So this is about Rayhaan Wood Noir. It smells very similar to Tom Ford's Oud Wood. I can say like it's around 70 to 75% similar, and then there's a little bit twist here. This one I think is a little bit more fresh as compared to Tom Ford's Oud Wood. Oud Wood is, I can say, more dense, more sweet, more heavy. This is a little bit more airy, less sweet. It's more woody, and I can say more mossy, earthy and more herbal. So this was about Wood Noir. Smells beautiful. If you want to smell dark, mysterious, sensual, you can use this perfume. And wow. Now let's talk about the other aspects of this fragrance. So let's talk about the performance. Performance 10 by 10. This is going to stay with you for a very long time. 7 to 8 sprays and 10 to 12 plus hours of longevity, and projection is great, sillage is great. People will definitely notice you if you are going to wear this perfume. And for the gender, this is a unisex kind of scent, but I prefer this perfume to be used by men, so it leans more towards the masculine side. And now let's talk about the age. You should be a little bit mature to rock these kind of dark, mysterious fragrances for the season or weather. The best experience will be in cold weather, but because this is a little bit more airy, so you can also rock this perfume in fall, in spring, and if the weather is under 25 degrees, you can still rock this perfume in summer nights. So this was Wood Noir, beautiful scent, and the price is really stunning. You will get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with this beautiful bottle and 100 ml juice with the perfume concentration, and the price is just 50 bucks, 50 UAE dirhams. You can convert it in your dollars or in your country's currency, but inside UAE this is just for 50 dirhams. And now let's jump to the second one, and this one is really something wow. And here I'm talking about ELLWOOD. As per Rayhaan, this is their own creation, but I can smell something similar here, but I can really not put my finger on something very specific. But to my nose, this is something very similar to Gucci Guilty Absolute. So not 100% same, but it reminds me of Gucci Guilty Absolute. Dark, woody, harsh, bitter, strong, you know, that kind of scent is this Rayhaan ELLWOOD. And yes, little bit herbalish, you will get that green kind of feel here. So you'll get aromatic notes, you will get some bitterness, you'll get a lot of patchouli here, that dense, dark, heavy woods, a lot of cedar wood and cypress. So this is how this perfume smells, Rayhaan ELLWOOD. You will also get that medicinal type of touch here in this perfume, and there is a very light bergamot in the opening which stays with you for like just for a few minutes, and then it's all about woods, herbs, green woods, dark woods, that kind of scent is this. Even the bottle here is green, so you can see it's a mixture of that aromatic green notes, herbal notes mixed with dark dense woods. This is about ELLWOOD. For the notes breakdown, you can visit the website of Rayhaan and you can see the notes breakdown there. And the best thing of this perfume is the dry down. In the dry down, it becomes more green and woody kind of scent, and it smells really good. Once again, very dark and mysterious kind of scent, very unique. If you want to smell different, you don't want to smell like every Tom, Dick and Harry out there, so try Rayhaan's ELLWOOD and you will be loving it. If you like that bitter, dark, woody kind of scents, in that case try ELLWOOD. Once again, the price is 50 UAE dirhams, just 50 bucks for 100 ml of the quantity, and performance is rocking 10-12 plus hours easily. You will be able to smell this perfume on your shirt even on the next day. And if you talk about the gender, once again, pure masculine scent. For the age, you should be really mature. And if you have like a big beard, you're a big guy, heavy, wearing the black tuxedo or black leather jackets, rock it and you will be loving it. And yeah, by the way, maybe there are like some leathery nuances here. No, yeah, but you can also get some incense. There is an incensey note here. So that smoky incense is also in this perfume. Yeah, so this is about the fragrance. And if you talk about the season or weather, once again, a cold weather scent. And for the occasion, if you are going to pubs, if you're going for meetings, any scenario where you want to be loud, you want to impress people, if you want to portray that you have a very mysterious personality, rock this perfume. This was about ELLWOOD. I really loved it. Very unique and a beautiful scent. This was about Rayhaan ELLWOOD for him. And now let's jump to the third one and my most favorite one. And here I'm talking about Royal Wood, the real bad boy. But fortunately, this is not as dark as the other two. So here, this one smells really nice. So if you are someone who loves that Aventus DNA, you are definitely going to love it. This is not a clone or alternative of Aventus, but yes, the pineapple in this perfume is going to remind you of Aventus. So here, in simple words, it's a woody pineapple type of concoction. So a lot of woods mixed with some pineapple, you will get this, and yes, definitely with some birch tar and with some smoke. So yeah, this one opens with some dark woody accords mixed with some pineapple. There is bergamot, some smoke, some leathery birch tar, some leathery nuances, and then a dark chocolate note. So very interesting concoction. You will get bergamot, you will get citruses, you get that dark woods, and then that beautiful dark bitter chocolate. So this is how this perfume opens, and then towards the dry down, it starts to convert into a blend, or you can say into a mix of Aventus and Hashivat. It becomes more creamy, it becomes a little bit smoky, and leather toned down at the second phase towards the dry down, and it turns into a very nice, creamy pineapple citrusy kind of scent. So yes, less dark, less mysterious, but beautifully done. Once again, unique in a way, because the mix of pineapple with that dark woody accords is really something new and unique here. So do try this out, Rayhaan Royal Wood, and you will be loving it. And once again, the price is really very affordable. 100 ml juice for 50 UAE dirhams. Lasting performance top notch, 12 hours plus. Gender, I can say it can be a unisex scent, but still it leans more towards the masculine side. For the age, I can say if you are around the age of like 20-22, you can rock it. For the other two fragrances, you should be around the age of 24-25. But here, if you are like 19-20, you can rock this perfume. So if you are a pineapple lover, you're going to love it. For the season or weather, once again, the best experience will be in cold weather. But considering that beautiful dry down of Aventus and Hashivat, you can also use it in the nights of summers. If it's raining outside, the temperature is low, it's a little bit cold, you can rock it in summers. And now for the occasion, for the parties, in your office, weddings, wherever you want. And all these three perfumes are not a good option for your gyms and for your sports activities. So avoid that. And other than that, you can rock these perfumes, you know. So this was about Royal Wood for him. Beautiful scent and my favorite with all three. I love these two, ELLWOOD and Royal Wood. The third one is also great, this Wood Noir, but because I have already experienced a lot of clones of Tom Ford's Oud Wood, that's why this is not unique to me. But still, as I told you earlier, this is a little bit airy, so you can still try it out. Otherwise, all these three are rocking, but my favorites are these two. If you want to smell dark, green, mysterious, more dark, go this. If you want to smell like a Batman, go for this, or go for Wood Noir. And if you want to be a little bit on the normal side, try a Royal Wood. So this was my review about these three beautiful fragrances. I hope you like this review. So let me know in the comments if you have ever experienced these fragrances. I would love to hear your feedback, and I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.